Exterior House Paint Color Trends 2026. Exterior house color is getting a major upgrade in 2026, blending nature-inspired hues with futuristic tones. Expect earthy elegance to dominate as homeowners lean into exterior paint that reflects calming organic vibes. Sage green is becoming the new neutral, a subtle yet rich exterior house color that pairs effortlessly with stone or wood. Warm clay tones are also rising. Think terracotta, burnt orange, and sun-baked peach for earthy exterior house charm. Exterior paint trends are shifting away from harsh whites to soft creams and muted ivory for a more welcoming facade. Deep charcoal gray remains a strong contender, giving a modern yet timeless exterior house presence. Don't be surprised to see dark navy showing up as a bold exterior house color, especially on coastal or cottage-style homes. Brown is back, but not the 90s version. 2026's exterior paint offers elegant, chocolatey browns with matte finishes. Moss green and olive tones are bringing the forest to the suburbs in exterior house color palettes this year. Expect more two-tone combinations where the exterior paint highlights architectural features using contrasting house colors. Black accents are making a statement, often used on trims or doors to frame the main exterior house paint. Exterior house paint in weathered blue is becoming a favorite for beach homes and lake houses in 2026. Warm taupe tones are replacing flat grays in many exterior house designs for a cozier, lived-in feel. If you're going farmhouse, think about creamy beige exterior paint with soft black shutters as a classic house color mix. Rust red is making a subtle return, perfect for exterior house looks that want vintage character without looking dated. Cool whites with a gray undertone are trending as safe, elegant options for minimalist exterior house palettes. Muted mustard may sound odd, but it's gaining popularity as an unexpected pop of exterior house color on trims or doors. Exterior paint in dusty lavender or gray lilac shades is offering a soft romantic twist for modern house color schemes. Homeowners are loving stormy blues that shift tone depending on the light. These make moody, dynamic exterior house colors. Cement-inspired hues are trending in minimalist homes, creating an industrial exterior house paint finish. Warm metallics like bronze and aged copper are appearing as accent exterior paint in house designs with bold architecture. Don't overlook blush. It's subtle, sophisticated, and surprisingly versatile as an exterior house color. Exterior house facades are going natural with wood stains and semi-transparent paints that reveal grain and texture. For desert-inspired homes, exterior paint in sand, ochre, and bleached coral creates a warm, inviting house color theme. Dark green-black is being used more in cabin-style homes. This moody exterior house color is dramatic and grounding. Exterior house color trends in 2026 embrace sustainability, so low VOC, weather-resistant exterior paint is a must. You'll also see smart house color choices that adjust reflectivity to keep homes cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Exterior house trends are shifting toward regional harmony. Coastal homes go blue-gray, desert homes go adobe-toned. Exterior paint isn't just for walls. Expect garage doors, fences, and porch ceilings to match or complement the house color. Accent walls on the exterior house. Yes, it's a thing now, especially with vibrant or textured exterior paint finishes. Mid-century homes are getting bold with mustard, avocado, and teal exterior house color schemes with retro flair. Suburban neighborhoods are trading cookie-cutter beige for custom mixed exterior paint blends in softer tones. Exterior house trim is turning into a statement area. Lighthouses with bold, dark paint outlines are trending fast. Expect more matte finishes over glossy. Matte exterior paint gives house colors a sophisticated, velvety depth. Pastels aren't just for interiors anymore. Pale mint, lavender, and powder blue are being seen as playful exterior house options. Exterior house color combos in 2026 are emphasizing contrast. Think dark siding with light brick or vice versa. Even brick homes are getting painted more often, with exterior paint in soft white or grayish dominating the scene. Smart homeowners are using samples on multiple sides before settling on an exterior house color, testing light exposure. Warm gray is replacing cold concrete gray in exterior house palettes, offering balance and comfort. Expect to see homes with ombre siding, where exterior paint subtly transitions from light to dark for visual interest. Exterior house doors are getting experimental with bold color pops: sunflower yellow, mint green, and tomato red. Your exterior house color should connect to your landscaping, match earthy greens to your garden, warm tones to stone. Designers recommend choosing no more than 3 exterior paint colors to avoid a busy, chaotic house appearance. Exterior house paint in 2026 is about individuality. Your house color tells your story before anyone steps inside. Keep in mind, resale value still matters. Neutral exterior house paint often appeals to future buyers. Whether you're bold or traditional, 2026 offers a wide spectrum of house colors to match your taste and neighborhood vibe. Refresh your curb appeal with an exterior paint choice that feels fresh, rooted, and authentically you. And remember, your exterior house color is more than design. It's the first impression your home makes every day.